What's up, social media family? I'm going to do a quick video about Cash in the Box. If you have not heard about this flyer program, this is what I'm utilizing to present to everyone across the board because it's easy for even a beginner to use to make cash utilizing a program that works. So, today, I just want to briefly go over what it's about and how it works. It's a two-level direct mail and online flyer program that is so simple and easy to do. All you have to do is make that first initial payment, and you can start at the level that you would like to and get started working from home, mailing out flyers. Now, I'm going to say with it being a two-level program, you will actually direct the first payment to me, and the second part of it is you send the admin fee into the company. And basically, that's how you're able to get started, and they will send out an email to confirm that your information is correct so that they can duplicate your flyer and send out your marketing kit for you to get started and to keep producing more. So, briefly, I'm going to go back. I'm on the website, which is www.cashinthebox.net. You can join on the website, or you can join by filling out the flyer and mailing it in. Now, you must have a sponsor, so you can't just sign up just freestyle without signing up under a person. So that's how that's able to work to benefit the person that shared this opportunity with you. So I'm going to briefly just say this is a great system. I have printed out some flyers here. You can get started at whatever level you want. There is a $50 level here. If you can see that, I know it may be backwards, but basically there is a $50 level, $100 level, $200 level, $300 level, $500 level, as well as a $1,000 level. And this is daily payments mailed right to your mailbox by money or money order. This is how you're able to make and earn. And this system it's wonderful. It's easy. You get your stamps, your envelopes, your digital copy of the black and white a flyer that you will be using, as well as leads. And that's unheard of when it comes to other mail programs. They don't leave anything out. So you can mail 50 a week up to 1,000 a week, depending on how aggressive you want to go with this program and earn. You don't have to be online. That's another thing. You can strictly mail to your leads offline and still make a great income. It's up to you. The sky is the limit. The website that's presented, everyone has access to it. So you are able to share that with the person in case they have questions, as well as direct them to you if you want to provide maybe your own business card in the envelope, as well as a cover letter, which I will be sharing more with you on that. I made my own cover letter just to introduce the person to me, so that they can get to know me and be able to connect with me online with my social media links. I'm on Twitter, Instagram, Facebook. So I am balancing offline and online because I want to maximize my potential in reaching the income goals that I want. This program is going to be phenomenal for this year because it's all inclusive. If you want to get started with this, reach out to me. I am building a team because this is something I want to help people create a legacy, a financial freedom, simply by this cash flow program. Unlike some of the other advanced programs online, if you want to get started, I suggest that this be the first thing you start with because it's simple to understand. As you're able to learn more about marketing and advertisement, this is a beginning program. So Till next time, thanks for watching. Be blessed, and remember, invest your life.